The new folding smartphone from Huawei will be closer to the Galaxy Fold. Bending smartphone Huawei Mate X has not yet gone on sale, but the network has already appeared rumors about the development of the second version of the device under the code name Mate X2. Welcome to Science and Knowledge, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon for our future videos. In Feb, Samsung showed off its first commercial mobile with a flexible Galaxy Fold display. In turn, Huawei brought a similar device, the Mate X, to the MWC 2019. The South Korean giant offered a screen that is wrapped inside. The Chinese installed a flexible matrix on the outer surface of the smartphone. Perhaps in the case of Huawei Mate X2, the company will offer a display that folds inward. The message about the preparation of the new device was published by a well-known insider, Let's Go Digital, and a Twitter profile named Mikkel Sharma. In his Twitter, he also attached several renders of the intended device. The blogger himself expressed the opinion that this could be prototype of the Huawei Mate X2. Last summer, Huawei filed a patent application for a smartphone which is very similar to Mate X and has a side panel for cameras. Apparently, several image sensors were combined into one module. The case itself is metallic and offers smoothed corners. When folded, the display is inside. On the right side, there is a tray for SIM cards and a separate key, the functional purpose of which is not indicated. Whether it comes to a commercial implementation of the patent is unknown. Now the company is faced with the task of introducing the Mate X to the market and avoiding the wave of negativity that has befallen the Samsung Galaxy Fold. And there is still uncertainty whether the new product will come out with an Android Pie or whether the company will have to take an even longer time out in order to adopt the flexible mobile phone to work with a proprietary OS Hongmeng. Chinese smartphone maker last week, Huawei has postponed the release of its smartphone with a flexible screen, the Mate X. Today, there is information that the new company is already working on a new folding device. The main difference of this device from the Mate X is the operation of the folding mechanism. If Mate X bends outward so that both parts of the screen remain open, then the gadget shown on the renderers works more like a Samsung Galaxy Fold, like a book. Officially, Huawei has not said anything about the plans to create a successor to Mate X. Last week, it was announced that its launch would be postponed as the company decided to make sure that the smartphone would not face Galaxy Fold problems. That's it for now. For more updates and news, please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care. Bye bye.